Terminal 3 is literally just across that road. So I've literally walked over the main road, there's a tunnel at the top, and then down there, and Savoy Hotel is right here. It's about a 10 to 13 minute walk. Don't want to get knocked over. Okay. Right, the entrance is over there, I'll show you when we get there. So here's the entrance. Getting the aircon, it's absolutely boiling. In front of you is the reception area. There's a bar and a lounge. There's a bar and a lounge there. I had a beer while I was waiting. Sat there. That's the reception area. There's a restaurant as well. So let's go check the room out. You walk in. So this room is called, let me just make sure I get this right as we walk in. This room is called the Runway Suite, and I paid £80 for it for one night. There's no breakfast included. I know it's a bit much, but it's a great view of the airport out there. Yeah, it's really, really nice. These windows must be really thick because I can't hear hardly anything. I can hear the aircon. All the taxis there waiting to pick people up. Yeah, that's the runway. Let me just zoom in. Oh, let me just zoom in. I think it's Terminal 3. That's what I arrived in anyway. Terminal 3. So anyway, let's look at the room. Big double bed. The chair. Just my laptop on there. The chair. Chargers. Plenty of chargers. Netflix on the telly and everything. Just got my t-shirt trying to get some creases out of it. Yeah, there is more curtains here. So you can see it. Just stored my case down there. Another area to work on. Coffee, tea. There's even a Cafe Italy system. I won't be having one of them because I have to be up at 4 in the morning. There's a fridge, there's 4 bottles of water in it. 3 in there and 1 bedside. There's a safe. Robes. I haven't even looked in all of these, probably nothing. So that's the view from there. The bathroom. Nice toilet. The shower. You can see, I thought it was all in one, but it's not. There is like a little step down to it. And the sink area. I didn't even check seeing what there is yet. Let's see what there is. What's that? Soaps, shaving kit, and toothbrushes. So yeah, that's the Savoy Hotel, Manila. Like I say, if I said it earlier, I walked from Terminal 3. It took about 10 minutes. It was about 37 degrees. I was absolutely boiling when I got here. I have seen this actually. They do charge, but I think 1,000 pesos is like 13 quid. So that's a lot of money just to well, it's up to you, just to save a 10-minute walk. But yeah, 1,200. Anyway, yeah, the Savoy Manila, nice room. Got it for a few hours, maybe paid over what I should have done, but I'm on holiday.